guys! Today is our first day here in Paris. I should say, Bunzo. Let's stroll, guys. Basta yun siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan.
This is a place where Napoleon was buried. Museum also.
Ah, yun daw. So, let's go! Naririnig niyo ko, but yeah, I'm using the GoPro now para wide angle ang show. So we've been walking for like an hour, I guess. Random places lang, and then taking a break, and then walk again for another an hour, and then we have a dinner at the boat, riverboat, yeah. Later, actually we are here at the park. Hindi ko alam kung anong park to, but bit weird, or we don't know what's happening. Today's Thursday, tapos maraming ano dito, guys. Now, maraming police at ambulance naka-park around doon. Hindi ko alam, makikita nyo ba? Yan sila. Madami sila. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap. So, we worry if may rally bang magaganap, but I'm glad may maraming police na nakaabang. Gabi na, guys. Maraming decoration dito sa riverboat area. The dinner is included with bread, water, and then wine. Ito siya, red wine yung kinuha namin. Yeah, first starter is this one. Either nila, guys, is shrimps. Yay, we're moving now. Pork chop na hindi ko alam. Basta?
Pork?
Yeah, it's pork.
Okay.
With the soy sauce. Table namin dito. So finally, dessert. I got chocolate truffle. picture sila dito sa boat. Pinapipilian ko kasi madami siya. So far, ito yung nagustuhan ko. Of course, may pasolo ako. Ada! Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito kapalamihan. Tapos na kami mag-boat tour. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. At dito yung nagpa-park yung mga boat na mag-tour. At look at guys, yung harapan ko. Harapan namin sa paglalakad. Tada! Marami ding vendors dito guys. Diyan, mga vendors yan sila. May restaurant dito, second floor. Souvenir shop ito siya guys. Ayan. Then when you turn in this area, yan na siya guys. Ito na pala yung hotel natin. The good thing with our hotel guys, which is this one, yan siya, hotel 5 minutes away. Along the side, marami siyang restaurant, supermarket, at saka souvenirs. It's a funny thing, itong elevator nila is sobrang liit. 4 people lang kasya dito, and if may bagahe ka, ano lang siya, 2 people lang.
I reached my goal in
Nice.
Google Fit also, man.
Cool. We are back here in our hotel, guys. Time check, it is now around 8:12 ng gabi. So, we had our riverboat, which is super, I would really recommend if you're going to Paris kasi worth it siya. Masarap yung food, and then yung view. Yeah, mas maganda talaga pag per view kayo at night kasi yung view talaga iba siya. With dinner na siya. Dinner is included with wine, coffee, starter, main dish, and dessert. So, masasabi ko talagang worth it siya. Supposed to be itong boat tour is gagawin namin on the 30th, itong birthday ko. Pero fully booked sila tomorrow hanggang December 2. So, we had it reserved like earlier. So, pero bukas, we're gonna have another dinner. Naiintindihan ko talaga guys, masabtan ako unsa sila ka-amaze sa Eiffel Tower. Maganda siya pag nights. Talagang every time na maglalakad ka, mapapalingon ka talaga sa yung tower na yun. Ang ganda, super. So, I'm gonna end up this vlog now. I'll see you for our day 2 tomorrow. Continue to stroll and explore the Paris. So, good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!